If you are wondering if you can pay with Realme 14T, then the answer is yes. We can easily set up our phone in order to make contactless payments. So in order to do that, first we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. In order to find NFC, we can go to settings, choose connection and sharing. After that, go to NFC, and then over here we can find the switcher that allows us to turn it on or off. The next thing that we need to do is use a wallet. In our case, we can use the Google Wallet app in order to add all the details of our credit or debit card. So first, let's check if we have the wallet app. And there we go. In my case, I have it pre-installed. If for some reason you don't have it on your phone, you can go, for example, to the Play Store, and then we can search for wallet. You should be able to find the Google Wallet app. There we go. So let's open it. Now, over here, we can just press View Wallet. And then we have Add to Wallet. We can also grant permission for notifications. So let's press Add to Wallet, and then you can choose what you want to add. In my case, I'm going to choose Payment Card. Shortly after that, you should be able to open the rear camera, and you can scan the details of your credit or debit card. There we go. However, if you have issues with scanning the card, you can also enter details manually by using this text. You can fill everything in over here, and after that you can press Save and Continue. If some additional instructions appear on the screen, then of course you need to follow them in order to finalize this process and add the credit or debit card to your phone. Now, once that is done, the phone is pretty much ready to be used as a payment method. So you can make contactless payments. And every time you want to make the payment, just remember that the NFC should be enabled, and most likely the phone should be also unlocked. Now, in addition to that, if you don't want to have NFC enabled all the time, you can, for example, add the NFC button to Quick Settings over here. It is actually not added by default, so we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you can go to Edit Tiles in order to find NFC somewhere over here. In my case, it is in this place. So I'm just gonna tap over here in order to add it to the list. And this is also how we can easily turn off and turn on NFC. So this is how we can set up our phone and pay with Realme 14T. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.